Hi, this is Scott CPA again. Today we're talking about not being able to pay your tax debt and the consequences. Before we begin, I want to draw your attention to the two buttons on my blog. Click here for a free tax relief consultation, or click here to view my free tax resource library. Back to the topic of the day, serious tax problems. You can't pay your debt. And what happens? One of the most common tax problems is simply not being able to pay your tax debt. You don't have enough money, you don't make enough to pay your debt and your monthly bills. You now are really worried about how you're going to live when the big bad IRS is after you. You're losing sleep, your relationship with your spouse is deteriorating. Perhaps the IRS is now threatening to levy your bank accounts or garnish your paychecks. Or you have the threat of the levy on your assets. This is really a bad time of life. There are solutions. The first and most popular is the offer in compromise. This is where you negotiate with the IRS to pay less than what is owed. There are specific formulas and processes to accomplish an offer in compromise. It does not get done overnight or on a phone call. The entire process usually takes 6 months to a year. You most likely have seen national advertising on TV, the internet, or heard commercials on the radio. They have names like Tax Busters or Tax Relief, etc. Most of these heavy advertisers simply take your money and don't accomplish anything. They may stave off the wolf temporarily, but they are so concerned with sales and getting your money that is where they spend all their resources, not getting your case done. You should hire a local professional that is a CPA, attorney, or enrolled agent that does this kind of work every day. You should hire someone that you know their name, someone you can talk to, someone you can call. You could negotiate an offer and compromise directly with the IRS yourself, but it is very complicated and it can be intimidating. To get the best deal with the IRS, you really should hire a tax problem specialist. He or she usually has many cases and years of dealing with the IRS on tax problems. They know the ins and outs of getting the best deal with the IRS for you. If you have tax problems, you should protect yourself by hiring a qualified tax problem specialist. We have experience and strategies in negotiating with the IRS to get you the lowest amount that you have to pay. My contact information is below. If you have a tax problem or know someone with a tax problem, please share this video or contact me. Until next time, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.